there are a lot of golf courses in the U.S., in the world, jeez.
Yeah.
But there are millions of unearthed golf.
Right. Yeah.
Just here we have like 12 or 13 or 14 that are just right in our backyard.
I mean, yeah, and they're incredible. They're
just like world class.
You don't believe it. Yeah.
Yeah, and then we are at our little secret golf course that isn't an actual golf course. It's just Mother Nature, baby.
Yeah. We're here with Wildpar. Wildpar, they're the best. They just go out in nature and they make golf accessible to everyone. They say that you don't have to be confined by a $75 tee time fee. Put a flag in the ground and play wherever you want. It's fun coming out here and routing stuff. That was the main thing, was coming out and routing stuff, which is like just being out here for weeks and just figuring stuff out, which is unbelievable. It's so fun. It turned out to be a par 3 course just because it's just so good. Pretty good.
There's like such a small difference for me between this and like playing with golf.
100%. Yeah.
Like the putting might be a little weird, but the excitement of hitting a shot, a green with a pin in it, is like universal.
Absolutely. I think what's really cool is that Subtletees crew has come up here and has imagined this to be kind of like what could golf be in kind of the East Bay area, but it's an untouched piece of property, and Wildpar is helping Subtletees make a dream come true, and we're playing golf out here. Like real
Actually
golf.
Playing golf.
With a flag.
Absolutely. Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I don't think I was filming.
No! You actually? I can get that. What's your hope for Wildpar in the future?
Man, I think it's just finding new, cool spots outside to have fun with buddies. You know, it's like going and just making up games and hanging out and hitting a couple balls and setting up and getting these beautiful views. You know. Yeah. Man, there's nothing better.
Yeah.
And you know, in terms of like what we're doing with it, who knows? You know, I think we're just having fun and capturing some cool moments.
Yeah.
And we're really enjoying it. So
we're gonna hit the tree hole over here.
Oh, the tree hole. The natural like work of the land. Sit! I followed the hill and I just rolled into a parking lot.
Oh, what a high in the sky.
I love it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it close.
Oh, look at that. Roll.
Really I was so ready for you to shank that ball after saying that.
Want to try one more time?
Ooh. Just nothing like hitting into your buddy, just pissing him off.
Oh! Hits it pretty well. What was that?
Gee, there are some places in the world of golf that kind of give you a special sense, and like it's funny how this place kind of gives you that sense of speciality and
kind of like mysticism almost, like the heart of the game. And it's funny because it's not even a real golf course, but it looks like an abandoned golf course. And like me being out here for, I don't know, the last 3 years, routing the whole place to kind of get intimate with it. And, you know, I'd come out here and just sit out here, just think about golf, just. So it's really special to actually see pins in the ground, which is just like cutting pins out here is an ethereal experience.
I think we're gonna go up to.
Do you want to hit the 2 from here?
I say why not? I mean, we're here, right?
Where's 2? Oh, it's such a good looking hole, bro. Oh, it's such a good looking hole. Look at that.
Just a little flat bit.
I mean, it's like perfect. It's like flat, and then it has that like pop bunker that kind of like sits out. It's like literally perfect.
Yeah.
But the pop bunker's filled with water, like most of the courses in the Bay Area.
Yeah, exactly.
One thing that they don't show you on the Wildpar videos is you gotta go find your ball. So we're looking for errant tee shots. Look at Logan.
Mine are all close to the flag. I'm looking for somebody else.
So the first time we were out here, Nico and I, we were like looking for golf holes, and we were like, oh, maybe it can be this one, maybe it can be like this like little plateau here. And I was just getting into architecture. Like I hated golf, like absolutely hated golf. And it was around at Pacific Grove that turned my whole life around. And then that same like week, I come out here and find what is now like the Peninsula Hole. We call it the Peninsula Hole, and it's like the most stunning hole I've ever seen in golf. And it's like it's not even on a golf course.
Hey, can we do a little match here?
Yeah.
Let's do a little closest to the pin. And yeah, how about that? Closest to the pin here.
Big dog.
Oh, you flipped it.
Oh my god, it's so far.
That's so gone. Oh, can I try one? How about best 2 out of 3?
Best 2 out of 3.
Oh, he tried.
Trying to hit a right to left shot into this hole should be illegal. Now watch this guy.
Shot shit. Now watch this guy.
That's some Mac.
Well, you know what? It's just so deceptive, right? Like the way the green is probably what, like 50 yards wide, but then maybe 30 yards deep. Maybe less than that.
Yeah.
But it just looks like so shallow, and then when you get there, it's just like
It's super intimidating.
Wildpar.
Ben Crenshaw once said about a hole that he designed at St. Lucia. He said, if you don't see a green complex here, then you better find another line of work. And that's what I feel about this one. It's like you just come across it, you're just like, it just looks like an abandoned golf hole. It's probably one of the greatest par threes I've ever seen. You're putting flags like in the greens are crazy. It's crazy. It's like the realization of like something that you've dreamed of.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just being out here with guys, you know.
This was just like an idea that was like, we just didn't have anything else to do, and then it just turned into like, oh man, like I just want this to become a golf course so bad. You know, I was like, oh man, if we can just get greens out here, if we can just get like this, if we can just bring people up here, and it's like, I don't know, Wildpar, like that whole thing is like, it is a golf course.